Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pardon me, I meant our YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube family and welcome to the new persons here. And if you don't want to feel left out next time, all you got to do is to subscribe to this channel and click the post notification bell. Today guys, I'm here showing you what a Jamaican apple tree looks like. Therefore, that means that I'm gonna make some Otaheite apple juice for you guys. Nice and refreshing. So guess what? Just stick around and after the intro, I will be showing you in details. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna chop my apple into small pieces. And I'm gonna remove the seeds. It's apple season in Jamaica now, so why not just make use of all the apples and enjoy some nice Otaheite apple juice. Oh my gosh. And just to let you know, I have already washed my apples. Alright, I'm just gonna roughly chop my apples. I don't know how powerful is your blender, but mine is very powerful. But still, I'm gonna chop them into small pieces. Yes, man. Just cut them and throw them directly inside the blender. Alright, then I'm gonna add some ginger. I already wash and peel my ginger in advance, so I'm just gonna roughly chop it also. Yes guys, just like that. Nice and simple. Alright, I'm gonna add some purified water just to slightly cover the apples. Yeah man, just like that. Alright, I'm gonna blend this right now. Yes guys, you just want to blend it for a minute or two. That's it.
Okay, I'm going to strain my juice right now. Wow. The ginger, guys, the ginger, I love ginger. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some sweetener. You can add honey if you want, or you can add granulated sugar or brown sugar if you want. It's up to you. I don't want mine to be too sweet. You can also add lemon juice or lime juice if you rather. Alright, Otaheite apple juice is ready. Nice and beautiful.